Welcome back, traders. This is Sandra with Trading Made Simple.
Welcome back, traders. This is Sandra with Trading Made Simple. Today we're going to talk about the volume profile indicator that Thinkorswim gives you for free. Now, when you pull up the volume profile, it's a very unattractive indicator. It actually doesn't look like anyone else's indicator. And I'm going to show you how you can customize that to make it look normal and actually be able to help you in your trading. So if you're liking this type of content, please subscribe and share. I really do appreciate it. Hit the notification buttons. I always have videos coming out. All right, so let's get to it. The first thing we're going to want to do is go to this hourglass. We call this the studies. And when you come here, you're going to just type right into the box a volume profile. And when you do that, you can see that there is a public study for everyone. And you're going to add it to your chart. And when you click add here, it should move it right on over. That's funny. Come on. Okay, got it on 3 times. All right. So now that I have it on, let me show you how it looks. So this is how it looks, and no one really likes it. And this was interesting when I tried to customize it. It was a difficult process. I can't believe that this is default in Thinkorswim, but let me show you how to make this nice. So what you're going to do is you're going to come right over here to your studies menu, and you're going to go to your gear icon. The gear icon for Thinkorswim is always the customization studies. Now, one of the key points here is on expansion. When you hit no, and then you hit OK. Hey traders, if you're finding this helpful, go ahead and tap that like and subscribe. We drop fresh trading setups and automation tips every day, and trust me, what's coming up next could level up your game. The links to learn more about us and our system and team are in the description below. The first thing it does is it moves it on over to the left side of your chart. This now enables you, right, to take a bird's eye view. Take a look at where the volume is. You can see the volume shelves now are going to help you with what's resistance, what's support, and so forth. And so as you take a look at this now, you can say, okay, I want to further customize this. Maybe the blue is just, it's too piercing for me. I know that for a fact. So you go to the gear icon. And the funny thing is when you come over here in point of control, profile high, low, when you start clicking these buttons, you'll notice that none of them are blue. You have to go all the way down and you'll see this tiny button that's called global. When you hit global, you then have to come down here or scroll up, right, to be able to find those colors. And then you're able to go ahead and maybe change those colors and say, okay, I want point of control to be purple. We'll leave the value area as yellow. Hit apply, and now you can see how this can actually be used on your chart to help you trade. Now that you know how to customize that, the only other thing that you're going to want to do is when you go to the customization, just change where it says chart. You want to change it to a day. And I think once you do that, you'll be able to see how the volume profile looks in this manner that you're probably more accustomed to seeing, right? All right, I certainly hope that helps you. By the way, the other thing that you can do, just in case you take this off your chart and you want to put it back in, what you want to do is save it as default. So when you come into your gear shift, just say save as default. And once you do that, anytime you take this off your chart and then you put it back on your chart, it won't be the original. It'll be your saved version. So that is how you actually program this into Thinkorswim. Certainly hope it helps you out. Now, if you're looking for live trading, education, coaching, we have custom indicators as well as trade alerts. Come visit us, tradingmadesimple.org. My contact's in the description below, and we'll see you in the next video.